Hey guys, I hope you're all keeping safe and well. So this is just another quick video to let you guys know about some changes that have taken place from today, which is May the 1st, to the actual driving test. So in my recent uploads, that's all I've been doing really, giving you updates about the current situation and answering your questions in some of the videos. So as from today, like I just mentioned, the DVSA have made some changes to the actual driving test. So these are temporary changes. As you guys know, because of the current situation, only key workers can apply for an emergency test and go for the actual driving test. So to fail a driving test, the ways in which you can fail a driving test: if you get one serious driving fault, you'd fail your driving test. If you get a dangerous driving fault, you'd fail your driving test. And if you get 16 minor driving faults, then you fail your test. So those are the three ways that you can fail a driving test. So just recapping: one serious fault equals a fail, one dangerous fault is a fail, and 16 minor faults is a fail. So the driving test lasts around 40 minutes, and say if you made a serious or dangerous driving fault and failed within the first 5 or 10 minutes, you still continue driving for the remainder of the test. That's because you've paid your test fee, which in the UK is £62, and you continue driving for the remainder of the driving test. And that way you also get a good overall picture of the total number of driving faults you make. The only way the examiner stops a test early is if it's terminated, and a driving test can be terminated if your driving is really bad and dangerous, or if there's something wrong with the car. So that's the only way a driving test is finished early. But now there have been changes made to that. So in the current situation, to reduce the time that the examiner and the learner are in the car together, so say if a learner makes a driving fault in the first 5 or 10 minutes or whenever throughout the test, the examiner will guide the learner back to the test centre earlier rather than continuing with the driving test. So say if you make a serious driving fault in the first 5 minutes, the examiner won't tell you while you're driving, but they'll instruct you to direct you back to the test centre earlier than they normally would. So obviously that will reduce the amount of time that the examiner and the learner are in the car for. And like I mentioned earlier, these are temporary changes, and we have no idea how long these will be in place for. And like I mentioned earlier, I will be uploading a mock test video very soon, so don't forget to subscribe so you're notified of when the video is up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.